Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove that Memoji stickers from your iPhone's keyboard. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, now I'm on my iPhone's keyboard and it shows me Memoji stickers right here, and if you want to remove them out of your Emoji's keyboard, you need to get into Settings, then General, then Keyboard, and on that screen scroll down to the very bottom where you can find that Memoji sticker setting. If this switcher toggled on, just hit on that to toggle it off. After that you can go back and try to use your keyboard, and if it's still showing up right here, you need to close the app and then just reboot it, so in that way you can remove Memoji stickers from your iPhone keyboard. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.